everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how you're able to sign up to get Samsung One UI beta version on your Galaxy Watch 4 or the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Now, as you can see, I'm inside of the Samsung members application, and the 8th banner currently is talking about the One UI Watch beta program. So if you would like to sign up, these are all the steps you'd have to take in order to get that started. So first off, what I want you to do is make sure that you have the latest version of the Samsung members application. So one of the ways you can do that is if you already don't have the application, you can just go inside of the Galaxy Store and you can download it. Or if you press and hold, if you already have the application, hit on that little I and then take a look at the app details in store. So in this way you can see if there is an update. Now, if this one is already fully updated, the next thing that you also want to take a look at will be your Galaxy wearable application. You also want to make sure that this is on the latest version as well. So again, press and hold on the application, hit that little I for information. On the very bottom, you can see here that app details in store, and this is where you can click on update. Now that you have both of those applications to their latest versions, you can go back inside of that Samsung members application, scroll through the banners on the very top to find the banner that talks about the One UI Watch beta program. And then I do highly suggest just reading and skimming through everything on here, letting you know pretty much everything that you are signing up for. And on the very top, it just mentions as a beta program participant, you can preview new features and UX for the latest Wear operating system and submit feedback about its performance, stability, and usability. Now down here it is letting you know it is a beta software. It's intended only for testing purposes and may contain bugs, errors, inaccuracies, and behave unexpectedly, which is the purpose of being a part of the beta program. So if you do run into these bugs or errors, you send back the feedback. So this way when it is ready for the masses, there will not be any bugs, issues, or errors. Now, I also do want to let you know you have to have a Samsung account in order to get this one done. So if you do not have a Samsung account already, create one before you join, because it will ask you through the joining form what your Samsung account is. So this way they can send the update to you, which is basically just the watch plugin or the Galaxy wearable plugin for the watch that gives you this update. So again, as you scroll down, one of the informations that I do want to let you know is that if you do run into errors, there's details of where you can go. Phone numbers you can call if your watch, suddenly stops and you need to let them know, things like that. But I've been a part of a bunch of different beta programs, never really had that strenuous or that bad of an issue. I've had minor little bugs, but they've always been fixed with all of the minor little updates before the full version has been sent out. If you do want to withdraw, you can withdraw at the very bottom of this page here. And also too, on the very bottom, one of the most important sentences is letting you know that the beta will be conducted targeting the Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and another one is down over here, that the beta version will be distributed basically starting from June 2nd onwards, and it's going in order. So if you signed up, the first 50 people, the first 50 people will get it sent out maybe on June 2nd, and then maybe the next 100 pushed out on June 3rd, things like that. So depending on when you signed up, depends on when you get it. So if you see other people getting it on June 2nd and you're not seeing it yet, that just means that they signed up before you, and then maybe you'll get it on June 3rd, 4th, or 5th. So that was the important details from right now. Now you just hit on join now. You fill in that quick little form. I've already done it, so I can't do it again. Then right here, this is basically that plugin download that you'll be able to get starting on June 2nd. Here's some details about the beta community and then withdrawal from beta. So that is pretty much all you would need to know about joining the beta program for the Galaxy Watch 4. Hopefully you guys appreciated this video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe on the very bottom left hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul on my